Hello guys, my name is Pranshul Chauhan and my teammates are Mohit Shakya and Nirvan Bharadwaj. We have created a project named Bus Ticket Booking System under the supervision of our Professor Govind Kumar Rahul sir. Now, on the behalf of my team, I will let you go through this project. First comes the abstract. Basically, we have created bus ticket booking system for local areas and to enable the customers to buy tickets online for local buses in local areas. We have used object-oriented approach in this system, and secondly, this system was made during the COVID period so that people can maintain social distancing also. Introduction. Bus ticket booking system is a project that allows the users to check the availability of seats, book the seats, and pay for the seats online. They don't need to go through the manual work. Everything is electronic through the system, and the usefulness of the system is it is for local buses, means you can access this in local areas also instead of going through long distances. This contains two modules basically, admin module, customer module. In admin module, the admin can check the seat availability, the passengers who have booked their seats, the admin can remove bus, add bus, and other things he can do with the system. Second comes the customer module. It allows the customer to check availability of seats, book the seats, and to take the print of that booked ticket. Next comes the proposed system. To create the system, we have used the waterfall model. This is a web-based system that can work on any device, either Windows, Mac or Linux, because it works on web browser. So irrespective of operating system, it can work on any system that supports your web browser. Means you can work on Android also. Objective of this system or objective of our product, we have created this project to automate the manual procedure of buying tickets in local buses. Secondly, it enables customer to check the availability of seats, book seats online, and also to see the route of the bus. Using this, the customer can also check which bus is much more useful for them according to time and its facilities. The system also facilitates its user to check fare of tickets, expected timing, and book tickets from anytime, anywhere. And other thing that I discussed earlier also, it is to maintain social distancing in COVID pandemic. So these were the main objectives of the system. Then comes methodology. I have also stated that earlier we have used waterfall model as the software development lifecycle model for creating this system. We have used this model because in waterfall model we can redefine our requirements again and again, and after that we can finally reach to our model. Now comes the flowchart, which states how our system will work. So as we start, from then we can see the home page of our website. If the user is registered, then they will directly go to login page. Otherwise, they will go to registration. And after doing registration, the customer will again come to the login page. If the login ID and password are valid, then the system will check whether the person is admin or customer. If the user is admin, then the admin can update bus information, view booking details, receive payment information, manage comment, generate reports, and other tasks also he can do. And if the user is a customer, then they can check the bus information, book ticket, do payment, cancel ticket, and post the comment, means they can give feedback to our system. And last, it is stop. This C part, this is for visitors who just visit to check the tickets or to see the website. Now these are the screenshots of our portal. I would like my friend Nirvan Bharadwaj to explain these screenshots or of our portal.
Thank you,
Nirvan, please.
Pranshu. Thank you,
Yes.
Pranshu. Next slide. So this is the homepage of our project. Here you can see that from this page, we can go to the customer login, bus owner login, and we can also check the contacts about us and also view the homepage. Next slide.
Yes, just a minute.
So this is the admin login page. This page is for the admin of the system who can see bus details, booking history, add bus, remove bus, check the owner's detail, and much more. Next.
This is the same admin dashboard. After logging, the admin will see this page.
This window shows the functionality of the admin and facilitates him to do various changes. This is the customer login page. On this page, the customer can enter their use details, and this is the view bus page. This is the page where we can search the bus, booking history, and the logout option. The next one, this is the payment page. Here you can see that we can enter the card number, expiry date, and expiry year, and the CVV number, and we can do the registration and can also do the payment from this page. Next one. This is the bus owner page. Here you can see that we can add bus, view booking, and this is the owner's page. And the next one.
This is the contact us page. In this page, the customer can reach out to us if there is any issue with the customer. Conclusion.
This is the conclusion. Bus ticket booking system is a web-based application. It eliminates many disadvantages of ticket collecting systems, such as users can buy tickets anytime before the journey. This is a potential system developed in JSP and uses HTML, CSS, and JS for web view and SQL as a database. It gives power to the admin to add or remove bus. This is the future scope. In the future scope, many advancements can be made in the system. This is the conclusion. This is the future scope. Especially during the festive season, it will be very much helpful for the daily passengers as well for the people who travel to their hometown during the festival. Secondly, depending on the density of passengers, we can add or remove bus over that route. Another advancement may be made. It is possible that if there are no passengers over a station, the bus driver can know this and continue without stopping so that the journey become efficient. The next one.